Our world today is not the happiest place. It's unsettled, grumpy, fractious, changing in character as economic hardship bites, populism increases, and I will return to that later, and America and her allies begin to grow apart. For nearly 2 decades now, democracy has been retreating and autocracy has been advancing. Basic expectations for the public have been broken. In the post-war years, it was the experience of most people in this country, not all, but most people in this country, that improvements in their lifestyle had either been delivered or were on the horizon. Downturns came, of course, but these were overcome and better years followed. But slowly, if irregularly, democracy offered hope, even to those on the back of every queue. Nations in the democratic West came to believe this improvement was an unbreakable trend. It wasn't. Since the financial crisis of 2007, too many people have seen little or no improvement in their living standards. Taxes have risen. Pay packets buy less. National and personal debt has absolutely soared. And for many, hope has become anxiety. All of this has added to the disillusion with democracy. There is now, added to that, a significant war in Europe, for which the outcome is uncertain, and the aftermath even more uncertain. The very language of politics has changed. It's harsher, more aggressive, more focused on the battles of politics than the welfare of nations. A form of populism has taken root, a form that builds its support by condemning others. Its target could be migrants or minority religions or people of another race or any vulnerable group that fell adrift of public welfare. It seems as if anyone who is different in any way can be scapegoated, then they are thought to be fair game by the populists. The late Chief Rabbi Jonathan Sacks noted this, and I quote directly, "Anti-Semitism is the best warning sign of a wider threat to a free and tolerant society." I agree with that. Venom directed at one source can be directed at others as well. And this lamentable mode of attack is not restricted to individuals or even to individual groups. Populists use it against all authority and so-called elites. Elites are treated as if they were the enemy within, and governments are treated as if their shortcomings were the root of all ills. Even the judiciary is attacked, as if it were a subversive body seeking to undermine the state. No one should be complacent about this. If the law loses its authority, the bully walks tall and the lawless walk free. The objective of the populist is as old as time. If someone else is in the dock of public opinion, then those who denounce them must surely be on the side of the majority. And the outcome of all this is to set citizen against citizen. Such behaviour debases all who practice it. It is ugly, divisive, and racist, and daily on display in this country, across Europe, and elsewhere.